This new executive order directs federal agencies to explore ways to make it easier for local towns and cities to forcibly hospitalize those experiencing homelessness to get them off the streets, and to look for ways to pressure local authorities into adopting these policies, including by making them a condition for receiving federal funding. The order also prioritizes federal dollars for state and cities that enforce laws against open-air drug use and ban urban camping, loitering, and squatting, while deprioritizing funding for jurisdictions adopting what's known as harm reduction programs that assist those going through addiction. The order says shifting homeless individuals into long-term institutional settings for humane treatment through the appropriate use of civil commitment will restore public order, adding surrendering our cities and citizens to disorder and fear is neither compassionate to the homeless nor other citizens.
This executive order is a giant step backwards.
But advocates like Jesse Rabinowitz from the National Homelessness Law Center are criticizing the White House plan, arguing instead for a housing-first solution.
When someone comes out of a hospital, they're still homeless. They still can't afford rent. We have to address this at its root cause, which is that rent is too expensive.
But White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt defended the order in a statement to Spectrum News, saying it will, quote, ensure that Americans feel safe in their own communities and that individuals suffering from addiction or mental health struggles are able to get the help they need. On Friday, President Trump wasn't asked directly about the executive order, but he was asked about a homeless encampment nearby the White House.
I think it's terrible, and we'll have them removed immediately.
Now, getting an exact count for the number of homeless people in the U.S. is difficult, but according to a 2024 assessment by the Department of Housing and Urban Development, almost 275,000 people were found to be unsheltered during an annual one-day count. Reporting here in Washington, I'm Evan Koslof, Spectrum News.